Hey Vloggy Vlog, this video is gonna be a little bit different.
Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Hold up, this isn't right. That's a little better. Merry Christmas, y'all. Today's December 1st, which means it's officially Christmas time. We gotta decorate.
Laughing all the way, ha ha ha, bells on bobtails ring, making spirits.
There we go. All Christmased up.
What fun it is.
So in this video, I just want to be in the spirit. I just want to feel like it's Christmas. We got no snow outside. It's just really sad. My mom hasn't decorated yet. She's a little lazy. So let's do some Christmas traditions for broke ass people. Step 1. You need an outfit. What are you gonna do for Christmas if you don't have an outfit? Let's make this striped shirt into a real Christmas shirt. So we could just print out a picture. I think I'm a little more creative than that. I think I'm gonna put my artistic skills to the test. Let's draw some Santa Clauses. You know what? This was free. I think I'd rather a free shirt than paying $15. Like, look at this compared to this. I think I'm winning. Christmas shirt's done. Next thing we need is a hat. There's no way we can do Christmas without a Christmas hat. This towel I just found, free. It's free. Go in your mom's little cupboard, pick out a towel that says something emotional about Christmas. Mine says I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, but red will do. So funny. Perfect for a hat. So for this hack, all you're gonna need, little rubber band, free, a little Christmas towel, free, and you can even wipe up some dirty messes with it later. So we're gonna start with it with the print facing us. We're gonna put our head down, go to the back like this. Can you see? We're gonna get this little nipple here and just tie her up. You're just gonna twirl. See how it looks just like a Christmas hat? Last but not least, you're gonna need a napkin. This one's perfect because Christmas is just like a big birthday for Santa, except he's the one giving us presents. So maybe it's a big birthday for everyone that's getting presents. We're gonna use this as a little pom-pom. Fold it like this. Fold it this way. You're gonna unfold it. Scrunch it up. Get this size of tape, like 2 pinkies. Wrap her up. And there's our pom-pom. You guys, it doesn't have to be perfect either. Santa doesn't judge. He's not gonna judge you on the way your hat looked. He's a nice man, I met him before. Just kidding, I didn't. Duh. No one's seen Santa. We're pretty much good with the outfit. Our style is on point. Santa's gonna be so impressed. Maybe he's gonna wanna marry us instead of Mrs. Claus next year. Who knows? Next, we need to bake something. Baking is Christmas. Christmas is baking. You can't have Christmas without bacon. Not bacon, but like bacon. You know, like you need to do some bacon and then maybe eat some bacon. But like, we need to do the bacon first. Let's get baked up in here. Okay, Christmas baking 101. We need to decide what we're gonna make. You can't just put a bunch of ingredients in a bowl and just expect that you're gonna have something magnificent. We don't wanna be basic either. Sugar cookies, ugh, boring. Gingerbread cookies, boring. You know what Santa really likes? He likes chocolate chip muffins. So that's what we're gonna make him. So for this ingredients, it's gonna be really easy. Everything you're gonna have in the pantry. First ingredient, you need a banana. You need some baking cups. Next, you're gonna need cocoa powder. Then I'm gonna use some baking soda. And then for the rest of the recipe, you just need some milk, some salt, some chocolate chips. So now we're gonna get started with the cooking. You're gonna add a little bit of baking soda, and then we're gonna use a little bit of salt. Next, cocoa powder. Next to the banana. Just a little inch slice here. Squish all of that up. Lost my ball, but it's okay. It should look something like this, so it's gonna look really delicious. It smells really good too, and now we're gonna stick it in the oven. So I already preheated it to 350, and now we're gonna put in our muffin. Set the timer for 10 minutes. Now that our 10 minutes are over, we have a beautiful muffin for Santa Claus. I don't know about you, but boy does it feel rewarding to make something for the man himself. As you can tell, There's no snow. This isn't Christmas, this is nonsense. And I'm putting my foot down. So I just found some useless paper and now we're just gonna rip it into strips. So here's our snow. And I think to make this a little bit more real, we gotta get in our snow gear. We're gonna be starting off with this vest. Next with a toque, we don't want our head and ears to get cold. Gloves, you never wanna go outside without them in the winter. Now a scarf. Now that we're all dressed and we have our snow ready, so now that we've come to the best outdoor simulating spot, we're ready for it to snow. I always like those Pinterest pictures of like the snow falling, catching snowflakes on your tongue. So we're gonna recreate some of those.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Man.
Easy snow. You might be wondering, why are you on the floor? You know what? Sometimes you just need a break in life. And you need to make a snow angel.
But if you'd really hold me tight all the way.
Our next hack is gonna be tobogganing. So, for this hack, all you're gonna need is a staircase. Attempt 1, we're gonna try a blanket.
Want for Christmas is you.
That hurt my tushy. I think if we put a pillow under my butt, it'll save the day. It kind of worked. Let's try another pillow.
Christmas Day, I just want
Now for the
you.
big test. The big hill. Don't try this at home, kids. Things might get serious.
I need a
I almost died. But we're okay. Next hack. This next hack is another activity. It's too warm outside. We don't have ice. How are we gonna go skating? I have an idea. Hold on. Today, we're gonna be using stockings. What gets more festive than this? What you're gonna do, get your stocking and your foot, put her in.
Last Christmas I gave you.
Let's take the stakes up. Let's see how quick I can go around this pool table. Stopwatch. 3, 2, 1. Stop. 8.84 seconds. On to the next hack. So you want to look good at that Christmas party. What can you do to make you stand out in the crowd? I'll tell you. Earrings. You know, you don't need your ears pierced to have a good earring. First things first, you need something big. Just put it on. And better yet, get one that lights up. That's it for this video. Happy holidays, have a good December. Jesse out.